Here's some useful winter car essentials available on Amazon to keep your vehicle in top shape during the cold winter weather. Number one, the windshield deicer spray. It quickly melts ice and frost on your windshield and windows. Number two, portable jump starter, a lifesaver for dead batteries in the cold, and many models also come with a USB port to charge your devices. Not only that, this one comes with a portable air compressor to help keep tire pressure at safe levels in cold temperatures as tire pressures tend to drop in winter. Now, this one is my favorite, the battery terminal cleaner and protector. I don't know about you, but the last time I opened my hood, I was shocked with the amount of corrosion that I saw. Get this to help prevent corrosion and ensure a clean battery connection in winter weather. Windshield snow cover. Now, this is a cover for your windshield to prevent snow and ice buildup, saving time on frosty mornings. Next up is the traction mat. It provides grip if your car gets stuck on icy, snowy roads, making it easier to get back on track. Winter windshield washer fluid. Now, this is a specially formulated washer fluid that won't freeze in low temperatures, and it provides visibility on icy days. These items can help you prepare your car for winter, improve safety, and make cold weather travel more comfortable. Some other items you may want to consider are battery warmers or maybe even winter tires or snow chains to go on your tire. And if you ever get stranded, you may want to consider packing a little emergency kit. Check out the links in the description box. I'll have all of these items listed. Thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos.